Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. I'm happy to say that you've done a great job and we're on our last technical topic for the course. It's time for us to take a look at Lambda. Lambda is what we call serverless. There are many things that we might use a server for. Some of those things have to do with processing specific tasks. Lambda allows us to process those specific tasks or to create application code that can run without us having to worry about managing the underlying server. All we have to worry about is what we want to do with our code. So let's go ahead and take a look at Lambda. So in this section on Lambda, we're going to do an introduction to AWS Lambda. We'll walk through the concept of serverless computing. We'll look at pricing, and then we'll look at how you execute code with Lambda. So I'm excited to get started and talk with you about serverless. So let's go ahead and jump in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.